Any question, sir?
புரியலடா.
Sir, என்ன question வேணுமா sir?
We'll have 4 different topics which will be uh, asked, and all the 4 will be applicable for all of you. So within the 3 hour span of time, both in model and the end semester, 4 different type of questions will be asked. 4 in the sense, 4 different topics will be involved. Verbal ability, of which 25 questions will be asked. You'll have a group discussion where you will have to interact with your team, the team that you plan to have the group discussion with. And then you have oral presentation where you will have to make a PPT and then make a voiceover and submit as you did in assignment. And finally, an interview where questions will be there already in Moodle, which for which you will have to answer, record it, and then upload the AV. Nothing is just audio, everything is AV mode. Okay, so this all has to happen within a span of 3 hour time. So that's the plan. Purinjudha,
Okay, sir.
Puriliya? If you don't understand,
Yes,
if
sir.
you didn't understand, let me know. We'll discuss again. We'll clarify that again.
Sir, just now we joined the meeting, sir. Can you explain it once
Okay,
again?
I'll repeat. So for our model exam and end semester, that you will get questions from 4 different topics. Verbal ability, of which 25 questions will be asked. Everything will be MCQs. And then you will have a group discussion. Group discussion, you will have to form a team, and then team of 6, 7, 8 members. The topic will be given on the time of the exam. So you can select from a list of 6 or 7 topics. That will be up to the team's choice, whichever team that you choose to be part of. You need to make the group discussion, plan it. As you conduct it, you need to record both audio and video, and then submit the link in Moodle. The third one is oral presentation, where again everybody will be doing it individually. And then we have uploaded multiple topics, so you will get a different topic from the other person. So you can't work as a team here. It will be an individual submission. So oral presentation, you will have to make a PPT and then do a voiceover and upload the link in Moodle. You upload it in YouTube and then upload the link in Moodle. And finally, you will have an interview, which again you will record using your camera in your mobile. It will again be an AV, audio video. Okay, so you'll have to answer. There'll be 5 questions, in one set. Okay, you will get 1 question for interview. In that you'll have 5 questions. So you'll have to answer all the 5 questions that that you face in the Moodle. Answer all the 5 questions, record it as one video, and then upload it in YouTube, and then share the link. I'm saying it has to be YouTube, not a Google Drive. The reason is, for assignments, we are still facing the problem of people not giving access to the faculty to view it and correct it. I'm till now asking, seeking request to access the uploaded drive links. So for model exam and end semester, you will have to upload it in YouTube and then share the link to us. Okay? So I'm making it very clear. It is not Google Drive that you will save and share the link. It will be YouTube and then share it. Any clarifications till now?
Time duration, sir.
3 hours. Everything
Time
must be
duration.
completed in 3 hours. And there is no time duration for group discussion or anything. You will have to do it for 20 minutes for group discussion, 5 or 6 minutes for both the oral presentation and interview is answering 5 questions. So there is no time limit for that. But then this is the time duration that is fixed for oral presentation, which is 5 to 7 minutes. and for group discussion it will be 20-25 minutes overall. But then
Interview.
yes, interview there is no time limit. You will have one question. In that one question there will be 5 different interview questions that will be asked. So you will be recording yourself answering those 5 questions and uploading it. So it takes another 10-15 minutes for you, I think. But then there is no time limit for interview actually. Verbal ability, you will have 25 questions, all MCQs, so it depends on how long you take. But then the only problem you will have to face is doing everything within the span of 3 hours. Once you start, you can't, which means we will give you a schedule. As of now, we have scheduled it in the morning of 2nd November between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. So that is the time duration that the exam will be open for you right as of now. If there is any change, I'll let you know. But then as of now, I am not planning to change the schedule.
Sir, but we have CA 3, sir.
நான் சொல்லணும் இல்லையா, அது நான் சொல்லணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நீங்கள் கேட்பீங்க. I know there is a CAA schedule for you guys. எடுத்த உடனே ஒரு கம்யூனிகேஷனே இருக்க மாட்டேங்குது. என்னதான் பண்றது உங்களை வச்சுட்டு? சொல்ல மாட்டீங்களா? சொன்னா என்னம்மா
இப்பதான் பண்ணாங்க.
எப்போ?
இப்பதான் சார் டைம் டேபிள் வந்துச்சு.
உங்களுக்கு இன்னைக்கு தான் வந்ததா?
ஆமா சார்.
ரைட்.
நேத்து வந்துச்சு சார். அவ்வளவுதான் சார்.
சரி, நேத்து வந்தது இல்லையா?
ஆமா சார்.
அதுக்கெல்லாம் முன்னாடி சாட்டர்டே ஈவினிங் கிளாஸ்ன்னு கேட்டேன். ஒருத்தர் கூட வாடா கேட்க மாட்டீங்க.
சாரி சார், மறந்துட்டேன் சார். சார் ஃபுல்லா அட்டெண்டா பண்ணிருந்தேன் சார். அதான் சார்.
அதாவது சனிக்கிழமை ஈவினிங் நான் கேட்கும்போது, நான் அவ்வளோ கொஸ்டின் மார்க் போட்டு கேட்கும் போதெல்லாம் இல்லை நாங்கள் வருவோம்னு சொல்கிற அளவுக்கு இருந்தது. ஆனால் நான் எந்த முனைப்பும் காட்டல கிளாஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு. நீங்களும் கேட்கல. வெரி குட்.
அப்படி கேட்கல சார்.
சுதாகர் பார்த்துக்கலாம்.
இல்லை சார்.
ரைட்டரா, பார்த்துக்கலாம். அதான் பார்த்துக்கலாம்னால விடு. சரி, எனிவேஸ், கம்மிங் பேக் டு மாடல் எக்ஸாம் அண்ட் எண்ட் செமஸ்டர், திஸ் இஸ் தி பேட்டர்ன்லையும் எக்ஸாம் நடத்துறதுலையும் ஏதாவது கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன் இருந்ததுன்னா ப்ளீஸ் ஆஸ்க் மீ ரைட் அவே, ஸோ தட் வி கேன் டிஸ்கஸ் அகேன், கெட் இட் கிளாரிஃபைட். அப்புறம் குரூப் டிஸ்கஷனுக்கு யூ கைஸ் ஹாவ் டு ஃபார்ம் அ டீம் அண்ட் சென்ட் இட் இன் த குரூப். This is the team that we will form and do the group discussion. I need the confirmation in the group today. Not more than 8 members.
Okay.
Members total? 705. 8 dana maximum group discussion per team. 8 members per team maximum. 6 to 8. So எனக்கு இந்த கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்ச உடனே get that done. Out of 41 in the session, in the slot, how many teams will have to work out? பார்த்துக்கோங்க. 5 teams.
Okay.
இல்லையா? One team will be of 9 members. So அது பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Form groups and then send it. யாராவது என்ன டீம்லேயே யாரும் சேர்க்கல அப்படின்னு சொல்லாதீங்க. Get it, you have every contact in the WhatsApp group, so please coordinate among yourselves and then form the team. சரியா? You can reach out to me, அதுக்கும் I have no problem, but then converse in the group. There is no conversation that's happening. நீங்க பேசினாதான் எனக்கும் தெரியும் what is happening na. So please converse and then get it sorted. Form the team. Okay, now again the floor is open for your clarifications. முதல்ல உங்க பேரெல்லாம் மாத்துங்கடா. அது யாரா பிடிஎஸ் ஃபேன் கேர்ள்? டேனியல், என்ன அதிசயமா உன் பிரசன்ஸ் இருக்கு. டானி, கேன் யூ ஸ்பீக் அவுட் ப்ளீஸ்? மிஸ்டர் டேனியல், யூ தேர்? கேட்காத, கேட்டாலும் நீ பேச மாட்ட. ரைட். Daniel, please call me after the class, please. பேசி. என்னம்மா டானி ஏதோ சப்மிட் பண்றல இதுல இல்லையா நீ?
சார் சப்மிட் பண்ணிருந்தேன் சார்.
பண்ணிருந்தா இருக்கியா?
ஒன்னு பண்ண.
ரைட். எவ்வளவு சப்மிட் பண்ணிருக்கப்பா?
சார் நான் 8 அசைன்மென்ட் சப்மிட் பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
10 அசைன்மென்ட் சப்மிட் பண்ணுமேமா?
சார் இன்னைக்கு முடிச்சிரோம் சார். அதான்
இன்னைக்கு முடிச்சிரோம்னா எல்லாம் தான் முடிஞ்சிச்சே. நேத்தோட டைம் முடிஞ்சு க்ளோஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு. அப்புறம் என்ன?
சார் பார்ட்னர் தான் சார். அவருக்கு கிளாஸ் ஏதணும்னாரு சார்.
ஏய் ஒரு பிசினஸ் பார்ட்னர் லெவலுக்கு இல்லடா பேசுற. டைம் லைன்னு ஒன்று கொடுத்துருக்குன்னா அதுக்குள்ள முடிக்கணும். முடிக்க முடியலன்னா என்கிட்ட முன்னாடியே சொல்லணும். நான் கேட்குற வரைக்கும் நீ அமைதியாக தானே இருந்த. ரைட். வேற யாரு
சார் டாபிக்லாம் எப்படி சார் கொடுப்பீங்க?
எந்த டாபிக்மா?
அந்த குரூப் டிஸ்கஷன் டாபிக்
அதெல்லாம் மூடுல அப்லோட் பண்ணியாச்சு. you will get to see when you receive the question. group discussion topic வந்து you can choose. நாங்க அதுல வந்து ஒரு இண்டிவிஜுவலா ஒருத்தருக்கும் வேற டாபிக் வர்ற மாதிரி question frame பண்ணல. the questionலயே you will have multiple topics. your group can decide which topic to proceed with.
ஓகே சார். பிபிடி வாய்ஸ் ஓவர் கொடுத்துட்டு அப்போ சப்மிட் பண்ணுமா சார் 3 hours குள்ள?
ஆமா.
முன்னாடியே வாய்ஸ் ஓவர் கொடுத்துடலாமா?
எப்படி கொடுப்பீங்க? அதுக்கும் டாபிக் அப்பப்போ தானே வரும்.
ஓ அப்போதான் கொடுப்பீங்களா சார்?
So அந்த டாபிக் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் you will have to prepare a PPT and then do a voice over and then submit.
அந்த 3 hours குள்ள அப்போ பிபிடி கிரியேட் பண்ணி அப்படி பண்ணுமா சார்?
ஆமா
சார். ஓகே சார்.
So யாரெல்லாம் அசைன்மெண்ட் ஆக்சுவலா பண்ணீங்களோ, so whoever have done the assignment without seeking anybody's help or using someone else's file, model exam will be a cakewalk. For those who have not done a good job in terms of submitting the assignments, அதாவது வேற யாரையாவது பார்த்து அவங்களோட லிங்கை யூஸ் பண்ணது, அவங்க ஒர்க்கை பாதி காப்பி அடிச்சு அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணது, then it will be a problem for you right now. I'm being very honest. நான் யாரையும் threaten பண்ணல. I'm being very honest because practice இல்லை இல்லையா? So if there is no practice, it's going to be really hard for you to do it on during a model exam. But then கண்டிப்பா 3 hour duration குள்ள முடிக்கணும். That's not going to be extended at all. சரியா? Hope you understand. 3 hour na 3 hour. You will have to plan accordingly. The one thing that we can support is put the group discussion as first question for you, so that you can finish off that group thing and then move on to the other 3 individual questions. Verbal is an individual part session, individual session. You'll have
PPT sir.
Yeah, oral presentation will be individual submission, and answering interview questions will be individual submission. Except for GD, all the other 3 parts will be individual submissions. So first we are planning to provide the GPSC. Sorry?
Interview sir.
Interview, there will be 1 question for you, but then we have uploaded multiple questions with different set of 5 questions in each of the question. So when you receive 1 question, that 1 question will have 5 different interview questions. So you will record yourself answering question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then upload that in YouTube and then share the link in Moodle.
Okay sir.
Tangvel புரிஞ்சுதாரா? சுதாகரன்
Yes
புரிஞ்சுதா?
sir. Yeah, புரியுது sir.
Right.
Sir, how will the topic be, sir?
Sorry, ma?
Group discussion. How will the topic be, sir? For group discussion.
How will the topic be?
Yeah, sir. Give some suggestions, sir.
Suggestions.
Sorry, ideas.
தோன்றத கொடுத்துருக்கோமா? That's a suggestion for you.
Sir,
Sir, at least oral easier கொடுங்க sir.
Easy and what do you mean by easy for you?
We shouldn't be prepared to just like that. We should do that, sir.
Practice question sir.
Sorry?
Practice question sir.
அதான் ஆப்டிடியூட் இதுக்கு அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்தமேடா. You can use those as practice questions.
சார் அப்ப அதுல இருந்து ஏதாவது ஒன்று வருமா சார்?
சொல்ல முடியாது. வராமையும் போலாம்.
சார் குரூப் டிஸ்கஷன் அது கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா கொடுங்க சார்.
குரூப் டிஸ்கஷன் நீங்க பண்றது நான் எப்படி ஈஸியா கொடுக்க முடியும்?
No,
எனக்கு
sir.
புரியல. நீங்க ஈஸினா வாட் டு யூ மீன் பை ஈஸி?
Sir, we should have an idea about this
எங்களுக்கு
topic.
தெரிஞ்ச மாதிரி ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்க சார்.
உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? எனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்?
சார் இல்ல சார், பிரேக் செட்லாம் நீங்க கொடுத்தது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருந்தது சார், அதான் சார் சொன்னேன். சோ அதனால இந்த மாதிரி சோஷியல் மீடியா அந்த மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் சிம்பிளா கொடுங்க சார்.
கொடுத்தா
ஆன்லைன்ல செஞ்சு பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பீங்க.
கொடுத்தாலும்
இல்ல sir,
கஷ்டம்
அது
தான் சார்.
prepare பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமா group discussionல பேசுற மாதிரி
See,
இருக்கு sir.
ஒரு விஷயம் புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. This is second year. Okay, you won't have a choice at the end of your fourth year or during your fourth year. So actually speaking, you have 1.5 years. Chariya, to be prepared for GD, to be prepared for interview and everything. If you think you'll have to crack the exam and attitude irundhuduna, then I'm sorry, I'm not the one to help you in that. If you think Praveen can help you, it can be towards that 1.5 years. And I'm making these questions, these model exams for you, so that you will be prepared 1.5 years later. Okay, so being prepared right now is up to you. It's not up to me, and I'm not going to make your life easier in terms of the model exams or anything. And it's not just 2S1-5 slot. Every other slot will have the same kind of problems. So try your best, give your best. The one area that I can't help you at all is the time duration, 3 hours. We can't extend that. So you'll have to plan everything accordingly and finish it. The network issue, in the issue, on the issue, please don't bring those things. You have to solve the issue then and there and then find a way. Network issue இருக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா go to a place where there is no network issue. அவ்வளோதான். I'm making it very clear. ஸோ எதுக்கு எடுத்தாலும் நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூ கொண்டு வராதிங்க. வி ஆர் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் ஆரம்பிச்சு ஐ திங்க் வி ஸ்டார்டட் இன் மார்ச் இல்லையா, ஏப்ரல். ஓகே, ஸோ த 4th month now we are 6 months ஆச்சு. It's half a year is gone and we are still getting responses from both students and faculties as network issue. I will face network issues someday. It's not that I don't face network issues, but then we'll have to solve those things and then get ahead. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபைனல் இயர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் தே ஆர் டேக்கிங் அப் தி கேம்பஸ் இன்டர்வியூஸ் த்ரூ ஆன்லைன் மோட். ஸோ தே ஆர் ஃபேஸிங் டெக்னிக்கல் இஷ்யூஸ், network issues and everything else, server issues, everything. But then they have to solve it and move ahead, yeah. So that is the plan for you. It looks like the next 6 months will be again for online classes only. So I'm not sure. So end semester you'll be facing only through online, I think. So guys, please, the network issue in the vishyalam taandi vaanga, try to find a solution somehow. If you think your place wherever you're staying is a chronic network issue area, go to some other place, friend's place, where the network issue will not pop up that often. So this is an advice. Ninga panniye agano, I'm not forcing you to do those things, but then this is an advice. Try to focus on the exam, on the content during the 3-hour period, not on the network issue, technical issue. You'll have to solve the network technical issues before you start the exam. So that's what I'm trying to say. Idukapra unga ishtam, that's up to you. But in terms of the content itself, 3-hour duration, I know it is going to be little hard, but then I know you can also do it, because group discussion hardly takes half an hour. Okay, so you organize it for 15 minutes, plan it for 15 minutes, and then start after let's say first 15 minutes of your time, and then you start another half an hour. You should be able to complete it, and then you need to upload it. Uploading will take time, which I also understand, but then you have the remaining 2.5 hour period to submit the link. Then comes the verbal. It is going to take 25 minutes max. You don't spend more than 1 minute for one question, for sure. It will be less than that. So even if you spend 1 minute per question, it will be 25 minutes. So the first 1 hour, I would plan to complete both GD and verbal. And then comes 2 more hours where you need to do only 5 minutes to 7 minutes of oral presentation, and maybe 5 to 10 minutes of interview answering. That's it. maximum. So a total recording of another 15 to 20 minutes is what you will be doing. சரியா? So that is what the remaining 2 hours. But then preparing the PPT, that's something which will take a little time. Keep it for 40 minutes or something like that. That's all you want to do. So 40 minutes plus another recording of another 20 minutes is another 1 hour. So the first 1 hour GD and verbal must be completed. The second 1 hour, let's say you take the PPT, get it done, oral presentation மட்டுமே முடிங்க next 1 hour, and the remaining 1 hour you have for the entire let's say interview. It won't take that much time. It will hardly take 15 minutes maximum, no matter what you do. So after all this, you still have 30 minutes of time for uploading and sharing the link in Moodle. So I'm pretty sure if you plan and execute your timing, you have time management in your mind, execute your time management, I don't think that will be a problem. But then people having a chaotic approach will have a problem.
Plan okay, sir.
சரியா? So plan accordingly. See, the one thing which I wanted to communicate is we are planning group discussion as the first thing. So that என்னன்னா we were worried. Initially we had the group discussion as the second part of the exam. But then we realized everyone will take a different time period to complete the first part. And then the others in the team have to wait for everyone to come and join for the GD. So to avoid that confusion, let's finish the GD first. Start off with the GD. The team, whoever, you form a WhatsApp group or whatever, and then be in touch, discuss the topic, and then go ahead with the group discussion. And one more thing, everyone recorded for the safety of it. Because one of you planning to record it, others not recording, if in case that one person you are depending on fails to record, or for that matter audio doesn't record properly, then it is a problem. So all of you fix your technical issue in terms of the recording also. I know there is a problem with the Google Meet, and try Zoom, try something else also. I'm absolutely okay, whatever you want to try. Okay, but then audio, video must be there, and only then marks will be provided. I'm making it very very clear. I hope I made it clear. கடைசியில் வந்து சார் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணோம், ஆடியோ வரல, வீடியோ வரல, இந்த கதையே வேணாம். கெட் எவ்ரி திங் சார்ட்டட் ரைட் அவே. பிளான் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
ரைட். Any more questions?
Sir, when will be our end semester, sir?
மாடல் முடிப்போம்டா முதல்ல. I don't know.
Okay.
No idea. By November we should have. That's pretty sure. December la, I think halfway through December the next semester starts, I think. So by end of November we should have completed the end semester exams.
Okay. Sir, group discussion to YouTube, sir.
Everything is YouTube da. No Google Drive use பண்ணாதீங்க for sharing the link. Google Drive link we don't want. We are still facing problem because access கொடுக்க மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க. அப்புறம் நாங்க பின்னாடி சேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க முடியாது. That is getting us into a lot of trouble in terms of grading. We don't want that. YouTubeல போட்டிங்களா, please share it. And YouTubeலயும் பிரைவேட்டா போட்ட லிங்கை ஷேர் பண்ணி ஒரு புண்ணியமும் கிடையாது. So try to ensure that whatever link that you share, we are able to access it.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions? Kalpana, Madhushri, Shweta, Anandasenam, Augustin, BTS fangirl, I don't know who that is. Daniel, Dinesh, Gangeshwar, Aishwarya, Ashwati. யாரும் கேட்க மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க. Please ask.
சார், அப்லோட் பண்றது எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரே நேரத்துல அப்லோட் பண்ணலாமா, இல்ல தனித்தனியா அப்லோட் பண்ணலாமா சார்?
ஒரு கொஸ்டினுக்கும் you will have a space to upload இல்ல, so you will have to upload it there. I mean, share the link there. There's nothing to upload.
Yes, 3 hours குள்ளே நம்ம ஃபுல்லா அப்லோட் பண்ணாலும் பண்ணலாம், இல்ல தனித்தனியா முடிச்சிட்டு அப்லோட் பண்ணலாம்.
Yeah, up to you.
Okay, sir.
Just that you need to manage your time accordingly. அதை மட்டும் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Ensure there is no confusion in terms of recording for uh, group discussion. எல்லாருமே ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Everybody try and record it so that at least out of the 8, one person will have the correct link with both audio and video.
Yes, sir.
And share it. அது பிரச்சனை இல்லை. You can share the link in the, between you guys. That should not be a problem. But then sharing across teams is not permitted. You can't share your link with anyone else other than your team. There's no excuse. Then the entire team will get 0 marks for that.
Sir, model exam will be conducted from 9 to 12, sir. Morning.
Model exam we had planned between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. on 2nd November, but now we got information that CA3 will be conducted for second years. There is a schedule released for that as well. 9 to 10:30, yeah?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so in that sense we'll have to go and have a chat with principal and find out how we can proceed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and I have a question for you. Please answer me. In the last 6 months, whenever there was an online exam conducted, when almost all of the second years were participating in Moodle exam at the same time, did you guys face any problem in terms of the bandwidth accessibility of Moodle? Moodle crash ஆயிடுச்சு, Moodle became slow and the mari.
Yes, sir.
Just because
The audio
everybody
was not
was,
properly reviewed, sir.
Yeah, sorry.
Sometimes
The audio
everyone
was
got
not
the
properly
same.
See,
reviewed.
I'm not talking about Moodle issues per se. I'm talking about this issue when all of you are trying to access Moodle at the same time. And the problem irundha.
Sir, so how is it? I can answer, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. In case if Monday doesn't work out, Tuesday evening 5 to 8 will conduct. So,
Okay, sir.
but then as of now, Monday stays. I'll come back to you if there is any change.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any more questions, da?
Sir, same questions will be asked in semester, sir.
Serious, ada? Answer the
Yes, sir.
question. How
Yes,
will I
sir,
know?
yes, sir.
How will I know? Seriously, I have not, or none of us have prepared the end semester questions yet. So, your question is redundant in the first place, and even if it is logically a question, then my answer for it is I won't answer. I won't tell you what will be the questions for end semester also.
Okay, sir.
You ask me,
Not-
you want me to help you in terms of practice, I'll do that.
No, sir. I will try, sir.
Sure, okay, good.
Not same question, sir. Same pattern, sir.
Same pattern, yes.
Okay, sir.
Now, otherwise it's no use da model exam. Model exam is a exact replica of your end semester.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay, it doesn't mean you need to ask all the questions right away and get it sorted. We have the WhatsApp group for a reason. Utilize it. Okay, if you can message there, I can reply. I will respond as soon as possible.
Okay, sir.
என்ன பேசுங்க நாங்க எங்க சார் கேட்க போறோம் அப்படின்றீங்களா? Right?
Yes, sir.
Sure, okay. If there is no other questions, you can leave. And there is videos still accessible in terms of all the content, unit 1 to 5. Please ensure, watch all the videos, get yourself learned as much as possible. As it is, I'm disappointed in terms of how this semester went. I'm not happy with the learning. Hopefully you guys utilize the rest of the time as much as I hope. Okay, looking forward to your questions. If there is nothing, you can leave. Please don't wait till the last minute to ask your clarifications. Even if you feel it is a silly question, please ask. Please, message in the group, or you can message to me directly. I don't have a problem. There's nothing else, you can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.